This tutorial demonstrates how to use the AI Tutor feature within TeachSmart AI Academy to further explore lesson materials, ask questions, and engage in interactive learning sessions. Before starting, ensure you have access to the course and are logged into your TeachSmart AI Academy account. Click View Course to open the course overview and access all related materials. Click Course Content 20 to view the full list of lessons and modules available in this course. Click Start Learning to begin engaging with the course content and progress through the lessons. Click AI Tutor to activate the AI-powered assistant designed to help you explore lesson materials more deeply. Click Start Conversation to initiate an interactive session with the AI Tutor for personalized learning support. Click Concepts to focus your AI Tutor session on key ideas and terminology within the course. Click Niche Selection Strategies to explore specific marketing strategies related to niche targeting. Click Ask Your Tutor Anything about the course to open the input field where you can type your questions for the AI Tutor. Fill in the question field with what is niche in marketing to inquire about the concept of niche within marketing. Navigate to the response area where the AI Tutor will provide detailed explanations to your query. Click the AI Tutor's response beginning with "That's a great question." Understanding niche is fundamental in marketing. In marketing, a niche refers to a specific, well-defined segment of a larger market. It's a smaller group of customers. To read the full explanation, click Target Audience Profiling to learn about identifying and understanding your ideal customers within the course content. Click Value Proposition Development to explore how to create compelling value propositions for your target market. Click Ask Your Tutor Anything about the course, again to prepare a new question for the AI Tutor. Fill in the question field with what is value proposition to understand the meaning and importance of value propositions. Navigate to the AI Tutor's response area to review the detailed explanation about value propositions. Click Switch to Coach Mode. Learn through guided discovery with questions that help you think critically to change the AI Tutor's interaction style for deeper learning. Click Ask Your Coach for guidance and support to open the input field for questions in Coach Mode. Fill in the question field with how to create a YouTube channel to seek guidance on starting a YouTube channel. Navigate to the response area where the AI coach will provide step-by-step advice and support. Click Close Chat to end your session with the AI Tutor and return to the main course interface. You have successfully used the AI Tutor to explore lesson materials, ask targeted questions, and switch between learning modes for a personalized educational experience. To continue enhancing your skills, consider exploring additional course modules or practicing with the AI coach for guided discovery.